Hello students, today we are going to learn about section formula. Okay, if there is a line segment AB, coordinates of A is x1 comma y1 and coordinate of B x2 comma y2, and there is a point P which divide AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay, then we have to find out the coordinate of P x over y. So x equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So it is called section formula, student. Section formula is used when there is a point which divide the line segment in the ratio m is to n. Okay, so the coordinate of point of division x equal to m x2. Remember student, with m we will take x2, n then we will take x1, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. It is known as section formula. Okay. Now is the midpoint formula. The point P here divide the line segment in the ratio m is to n. If ratio will be same, then P is the midpoint. Okay student, if the ratio is 1 is to 1, the value of m and n are equal, then P is called the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula, if P becomes the midpoint of AB, then coordinate of midpoint x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the midpoint formula. Students, this formula is derived from the section formula. If m value 1 and n value also 1, then P is the midpoint of AB. So if at the place of m we can write 1 and at the place of n we can write 1, then 1 into x2 x2, 1 into x1 x1, and upon 1 plus 1 2. Okay, then formula will be x1 plus x2 upon 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Let us solve some question based on section formula. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining the points 3, 5 and 7, 9 internally in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So student, let us draw a line diagram. A, coordinate of A 3, 5, B, coordinate of B 7, 9, and ratio is given 2 is to 3. So let the point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. So m value 2, n value 3, and the coordinate of point P, let's take x comma y. So we have to find out s comma y, student, because this point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. So section formula we can use here. Under 3, 5 we can add x1 y1, and under 7 n we can add x2 y2, and this will be m and this will be n. Okay students, so x formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So m value 2, x2 7, 2 into 7 plus n value 3 and x1 value 3, 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. So 7 to the 14 and plus 3 3 is 9 upon 5. 14 plus 9, 23 upon 5. X equals to 23 upon 5. X equal to 23 upon 5. Now y equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M value 2, y2 value 9 plus n value 2, 3, y1 value 5. So 2 into 9 plus 3 into 5 upon m plus n, 2 plus 3. So 18 plus 15 upon 5, 33 upon 5. It means the coordinate of the point is 23 upon 5, comma 33 upon 5. Okay, student. Now one more question, let's solve. In what ratio does the point minus 2 comma 3 divides the line segment joining the points minus 3 5 and 4 comma minus 9? Again we have to draw line diagram. AB, A coordinates minus 3 comma 5, B 4 comma minus 9, and point given minus 2 comma 3, which divide AB in the ratio m is to n. We have to find the ratio, student, here. Means the value of m into n we have to find out. So let's the coordinate of point P. So student, remember when the question asking about the ratio, we have to suppose the ratio k is to 1. K is to 1. Okay, student. Let the ratio is k is to 1. Correct? So we can find out the ratio by any one formula, student, x or y. I am going to find the ratio by x formula. X equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. X value minus 2, m value k, x2 4, k into 4 plus n value 1, x1 minus 3 upon k plus 1. So minus 2 equal to 4k minus 3 upon k plus 1. Let's do cross multiplication. 4k minus 3 equal to minus 2 multiplied by k plus 1. 4k minus 3 equals to minus 2k minus 2. When we open the bracket, sign will be changed, student. Minus 2 will come this side. 4k plus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 3. 6k equal to 1. K equal to 1 upon 6. So we can write 1 under k. So because it is m into n, m is to n. So we can say m is to n equals to 1 is to 6. The k value will be the ratio, student. M is to n equals to k, 1 is to 6. Because we have supposed here k is to 1. So the value of k will be the answer, student, which shows the ratio m is to n equals to 1 is to 6. If you want to find the value of mn by the help of y formula, so it is also correct, student. You can use y formula. Y equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, then we get the same answer. Correct, students? So when the question asking about ratio, you have to remember that we have to suppose k is to 1, value of mk and value of n1. So easily you can get the value of k, and the value of k will be the ratio m is to n. Now so one more question. Find the ratio in which the x-axis divide the line segment joining 6, 4 and 1, minus 7. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Here also we have to find the ratio. Again we have to suppose m is to n equals to k is to 1. Now in previous question the coordinate of a point is given to us which divide the line segment AB. In this question, student, x-axis is given. x-axis divide the line segment joining this and this. So let us draw the line diagram. A 6, 4, B 1, -7, and ratio is k is to 1. Because x-axis divides, so we know that on x-axis y value is 0. So that's why coordinate of point B x, 0 I have taken. So coordinate of the point divided by x-axis equals to x, 0. Because on x-axis the value of y is 0. If a student at the place of x, y is given, then we can take the coordinate 0, y, because on y-axis x coordinate is 0. Okay students, so I have drawn the line diagram. At A I have written first point 6, 4, at B I have written 1, -7 second point, and I have supposed the ratio k is to 1, and coordinate of point P I have taken x, 0, because the question asking about find the ratio in which the x-axis divide the line segment. Okay. So we have to use formula y, not x, because x value we do not know. That's why we have to use y formula. Y equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Y value 0, m value k, y2 -7, n value 1, y1 4 upon k plus 1. Student, remember, to find the ratio we have to use the formula whose value is given to us. Y value is given to us 0, so we have to use y formula to find out the ratio. 0 equals to -7k plus 4, because k plus 1 will be 0, student, by cross multiplication. So 7k equals to 4, -7k transfer this side, k equal to 4 upon 7. So m is to n equals to 4 is to 7. The ratio we have got it. Now ratio we have got it, student, 4 is to 7. So m value 4 we have to put, and n value 1, x2 value 1, m x2, n value 1, x1 value 6. So 4 into 1 plus 7 into 6 upon 4 plus 7. X equals to 4 plus 42 upon 11. X equal to 46 upon 11. So coordinate of point of division 46 upon 11, 0, because we need x value and we have got x value. So students, by the help of y value we have calculated ratio m is to n, and by the help of x formula, after getting ratio, we can find the point of division. Okay students? Okay then.